Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today we discuss real numbers part 2. In this part 2 we discuss definition of irrational numbers and second topic, how do we prove root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrationals. Yes, first we go for definition of irrational number. So what is an irrational number? So it is very simple definition. The numbers which are not rationals are called irrationals. We know very well the numbers which are in p by q form are called rational numbers. Okay, so except these numbers, the remaining are all irrational numbers. Irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, like this. These are all irrational numbers. 0.102468297 and so on. This is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay, such type of decimals are called irrationals. So root 2 value is 1.414 and so on. It is not stopped on non-repeating decimals. Okay, root 3 value 1.732 like this. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Root 5 2.235 something. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Such type of decimals are called irrational numbers. So here irrational numbers cannot express in p by q form. P by q form. So such type of numbers are called irrationals. Okay. And set of irrationals denoted with q dash or s. Okay. Here one small note. Irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay. So keep in your mind. Irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Now second topic. Show that root 2 is an irrational. How to prove root 2 is an irrational? Yes. So in this proof by using contradiction method. So in these cases we use contradiction method. Means here root 2 is an irrational. This is required to prove. But in the proof by using contradiction method, let us assume root 2 is a rational. Let us assume root 2 is a rational number. So according to the definition of rational number, root 2 can be written as a by b. Okay, so here a comma b are co-primes. Okay, according to the definition of rational number is in the form a by b. A, b are co-primes. Co-primes means a and b have no common factor other than 1. Okay, right. So that implies b root 2 is equal to a. Squaring on both sides, we get b root 2 whole square is equal to a square. Then b square is root 2 square root 2 is equal to a square. So a square can be written as b square into 2. Here b square is one factor of a square and 2 also a factor of a square. So therefore here 2 divides a square. If 2 divides a square means 2 divides a also. Okay. So here say it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Okay, this. So here 2 divides a also means a can be written as 2 into for some integer c. Here c is for some integer, right? Now this value substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is b square into 2 is equal to a square. So here what is a value? 2c. B square into 2 is equal to, a means 2c, 2c whole square. That is equal to 2c whole square means 4c square. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. B square can be written as b square is equal to 2c square, 2c square. So b square can be written as 2 into c square. So 2 is one of the factor of b and c square also one of the factor of b. So from this we can write 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square. That implies if 2 divides b square means 2 divides b also. 2 divides b also. So it is equation 3. So we observe that from equation 2, what is it said? 2 divides a. 2 divides a. So equation 3, 2 divides b. That means 2 is common factor of both a and b. So 2 is common factor of both a and b. So according to the definition of rational number a by b, a, b are co-primes. But here 2 is common factor of a, b. So this contradicts the fact that root 2 is a rational. Here in the assumption, we assume root 2 is rational. But this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. Is wrong. So therefore, here our assumption is root 2 is rational. So that is wrong. Means rational, if it is not rational means it is an irrational. Therefore, root 2 is an irrational. That's it. Now some examples for you, homework. The first one. Show that root 3, root 5 are irrationals. Okay, do yourself and practice yourself.